This year, side hustles took an altogether more urgent quality for many. According to a study by Upwork, although some were forced to put their freelance work on pause this year, an incredible 12% of the US workforce started freelancing for the first time. In my roundup of the best online side hustles for 2022, I'll include some freelance opportunities that you may well not have considered before, as well as plenty of ways to bring in some extra money with no prior experience and no equipment other than a laptop or smartphone necessary. So watch until the end of the video for my top 8 ways to make some cash on the side, in your pajamas, and from the comfort of your own home. The first side hustle on this list is to publish on a platform called Medium. When it comes to making money online, writing for the web is an obvious route to take. But when you don't have a lot of experience, it can make pitching for freelance work tricky, and it can become a bit of a catch-22. So where do you start? A blog is a great place to show how you can write about something you're passionate about. But I also really rate Medium as a platform for posting or reposting your articles. It's a great way to build up a portfolio of work, and you can actually make a buck or two in the meantime through Medium's partner program. The way Medium calculates earnings is pretty unique and benefits both niche writers as well as those with mass appeal. Put simply, your earnings depend on the proportion of their total read time that Medium members spend reading your article. While only 8% of active Medium writers earn more than $100, there's scope to get a lot more than that. The highest paid Medium author for the month of November 2019 earned $22,658. Whoever that is can officially call Medium their main hustle. The second side hustle on this list is to start a niche Instagram account. You'll see a lot of videos about side hustles that suggest becoming an Instagram influencer in order to make some extra cash. While this may have worked 5 years ago, the reality is that Instagram is pretty saturated with this kind of account now. Unless you have already had 700,000 followers, you'll find it hard to get in on the influencer action. But that doesn't mean there isn't money to be made on Instagram, and quickly. You'll just need to get a little bit more creative. As we see it, niche accounts are now the best way to approach Instagram. You can harness the power of an existing platform or popular series to quickly gain a loyal fan base. Once you've got a good following, you can monetize your account in one of many different ways. The third side hustle on this list is to teach English remotely. Do you think you don't have any skills to offer? Think again. If you're fluent in English, or indeed any language, then you've got something that someone else wants to learn. As English is such a popular language, this is where there's the most opportunity. There are plenty of people willing to learn remotely, and plenty of companies ready to act as the middleman. Teachaway, VIP Kid, and QKids will all pay up to around $25 per hour for your services. You don't need any teaching experience to join these sites, but most do require you have a bachelor's degree. Once you've picked up a few regular clients and made a name for yourself, set yourself up with a tutor website so you can start charging your own rates and keeping your full fee. The fourth side hustle on this list is to complete online surveys. I'll be super upfront about this. Doing surveys online won't bring in the big bucks, but it is very easy, almost mindless in fact. It's the perfect activity to fit into chunks of downtime, your commute, while watching a rerun on TV. For example, Survey Junkie is a popular survey company and is one of the few that will pay you within 24 hours of your payment request, either via PayPal or in the form of a gift card. Each survey will earn you between 50 and 450 points, with 100 points equating to $1. Keep in mind that some of these surveys will be pretty extensive and around half an hour or more to complete. The fifth side hustle on this list is to translate. If you're lucky enough to speak more than one language, you've got even more options when it comes to choosing a side hustle. Translating is a competitive but lucrative business, and while you'll find it hard to pick up literary translations or large commercial projects without a relative degree, you can work with an agency or strike out on your own to pick up smaller projects. Sites like Fiverr are great for getting started quickly. but with most competitors charging around $5 for every 500 words, it will take you a while to build up some cash. And with so many competitors, it'll be hard to lock in all those all-important reviews. We'd definitely recommend trying to pick up an agency work instead, or reaching out to companies / answering ads independently. And to look credible, you'll want a website to show examples of your work and positive testimonials from your clients. The sixth side hustle on this list is to make YouTube tutorials. Google how to tie a tie, and the top result is a YouTube video. In this video, a normal-looking guy has filmed himself tying a tie with a voiceover explanation. He hasn't used any fancy equipment, and the video is under 6 minutes long. It has over 66 million views. Assuming that most people watch until the end of this video, this savvy tie-tyer has earned himself between $200,000 and $450,000 purely from the adverts that YouTube is running at the start of his video. To be able to monetize a YouTube channel in this way, however, there are some requirements. You'll need a channel watch time of over 4,000 minutes in the last 12 months, plus over 1,000 subscribers, all of which will take some time. Use tools like TubeBuddy to help you identify content gaps you could fill, and go for it. The seventh side hustle on this list is to become a coach or mentor. If you're a people person and enjoy encouraging others, coaching and mentoring are both potentially lucrative side hustles. A coach should have a basic coaching qualification, and the role of a coach is to help you work through problems and achieve your goals by finding the answers within yourself, and by holding you accountable. A coach has a core set of listening and questioning skills, but doesn't need to work in the same field as the person they coach. Established coaches can earn upwards of $100 an hour, reportedly up to $325 an hour for executive coaches. A mentor, on the other hand, is someone who offers first-hand advice, having already progressed within that industry. While this typically works on a one-to-one basis, there are some creative ways to approach group mentoring, such as with paywall protection Instagram accounts, Slack channels, and materials. The eighth and final side hustle on this list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you add links to products or services within your own content and then earn a small commission if your viewers or readers go on to buy these products after clicking through to them from your content. Fashion bloggers, for example, will post links to the outfits they wear and make a small profit if their readers go on to purchase the same clothes. When it comes to making money through affiliate marketing, we have similar advice to starting an Instagram account. Go niche. Affiliate marketing can be really profitable, but the competition is fierce. You'll need to search for content gaps and keep an eye on emerging trends in order to find your own niche. Thanks for sticking with me as we unpacked my 8 best online side hustles for 2022. I hope you found some value in it. That's it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I make a ton of content about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.